Okay guys, so here is my new favorite potato recipe. This loaded potato is my version of a cheeseburger. I have extra lean ground beef, I have onion, I have a homemade burger sauce which you are absolutely going to enjoy. I have 30 grams of low-fat mozzarella cheese, and I have some avocado on the side. Okay, so we're gonna start by washing a russet potato. Here I have 450 grams. Using a fork, we're gonna poke some holes all around. Now you have two different methods to cook your baked potato. You could bake it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 25 minutes, and then I like to remove it. I brush some olive oil, sprinkle some salt, and then I return it to the oven for another 20 minutes. Or you could do the simple way and just put it in the microwave for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, we're going to start by chopping up some onion and cooking our meat on the skillet. Now here I have 350 grams of extra lean ground beef, and I'm using some salt, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some sweet paprika. For the burger sauce, we're going to be using about 1/8 cup of light mayo, a teaspoon of low sugar ketchup, half a tablespoon of pickle juice, 1/8 of a teaspoon of garlic powder and smoked paprika, salt and pepper, and I like to add in some chopped pickles and onions. We're going to mix that well together in a bowl, and we're going to put it on top of the potato. So we're gonna do a little taste test, and the trick is you wanna get a piece of everything in one bite, and it's just magical. So good. Definitely give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time.